Looking for a hassle-free way to start your Ford remotely? The Ford Remote Start package gives you exactly that, using your original factory key fob. No extra remotes to carry, just press the lock button 3 times and your vehicle fires up. This kit is designed exclusively for automatic transmission vehicles and is not compatible with diesel engines or cloned keys. What sets this kit apart is its all-in-one remote start bypass module paired with every part you need for installation. You won't be scrambling to find additional components. Plus, if wiring isn't your thing, professional nationwide installation is available as an upgrade, so you can get your system up and running with confidence. Installation is semi-plug and play thanks to the included T-harness. This reduces the usual mess of wiring connections dramatically. While it still requires 2 to 4 wiring connections depending on your setup, the kit comes with clear, color-coded instructions. If you have basic experience with car electronics, you can handle this installation yourself without much trouble. The wiring process involves extending kit wires to the passenger side where the body control module, BCM, or fuse box sits. Keep in mind, the parking lights will need a fuse link and relay, which aren't included in the kit. Accessing the steering column requires removing plastic panels and a steel plate, but the detailed instructions guide you through every step. MPC backs this kit with exclusive step-by-step installation tips created by professional technicians. Plus, you get free technical support by phone or email Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Arizona time. That means help is just a call away if you hit a snag during installation. Customers appreciate the straightforward design but note the installation takes some patience, especially when accessing the tight spaces around the steering column and BCM. With careful work, you'll have a remote start system that integrates seamlessly with your Ford's factory key fobs. If you want a remote start solution that keeps things simple and reliable, this Ford Remote Start package is worth a look. It's designed to fit your vehicle's original setup, so you get convenience without compromising security or function. Try it when you're ready to enjoy the comfort of starting your car before you step outside. Ready to upgrade your Ford with Remote Start? This kit offers a solid balance of ease, compatibility, and support to get you started. Whether you install it yourself or opt for professional help, you'll appreciate the convenience it adds to your daily routine.